Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person what to see my video whenever I'm dropping it. You already know today, yesterday our analysis some went in our favor, some have not triggered our entry. You already know we started from monthly time frame on Monday, but due to uh, one circumstances or two circumstances, I did not drop time on video on Monday because there's no light on my system, and I guys do it on Tuesday for multi time frame. But you already know the remaining days we started from what daily time frame and that daily time frame. But before we started, let's see, maybe we have high impact news for fundamental analysis. This is fundamental analysis. This is called PPI, which is inflation. This is around 130, and this is USC. We know Euro we don't have opportunity. GBP there's no high impact news, but USD we have high impact news, and around 130 and around 7 o'clock. Let's see what PPI is saying. PPI is trying to do for us. They said, let's see, you shall actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. Yeah, that is it. And around 7 o'clock, we have federal fund rates. Let's see what they are trying to do. Actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. Let's see FOMC project economy. They are going to be the hawkish than expected is good for the currency. If the statement, if the economic is in positive, that's the main hawkish. Hawkish. So if it's a hawkish, it's good for the currency, which means if it is positive, it's good for the currency. But if it's not positive, if it's not hawkish, I think I'm forgetting this opposite of this hawkish, seriously. So it's not good for the currency. So this is where we are going to check the news related to it. So let's move to our chart, our trading view, to see maybe we to see the opportunity market has for us. So, fam, you already know, yeah, US stated play out yesterday, seriously. So I did not trade with my founder life account. I traded it with with my phone competition for next. Yeah, let's start from as usual. We started from what gold. Gold has not triggered our entry. You already know this is it for daily time frame. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is what we are having on daily time frame. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low, and we are in an uptrend. We are expecting the market to break this higher high. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. What is happening 4 hours time frame? This is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is the supply zone that's going to push the market down. After pushing the market down, this is liquidity. This is where we are seeing the opportunity for buy, because there is other block here, which means there's FEG here. There's FEG near this other block, and there's liquidity here, which means we are expecting the market to come here before we can see the buy. This is what we are seeing on on 4 hours time frame. This is what let's now move to, and 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame is for our analysis. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame to see the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. You can see the recent trend on 1 hour. The trend is giving us downtrend. This is the FEG market mitigated. After market mitigated, it's trying to give us the downtrend. You can see there's the internal break of structure here. Market came back to this place, give us downtrend, and this is the last break of structure. The reason why I had no opportunity that because this break of structure has already been mitigated, and let's use Fibonacci retracement if the is yeah, this retracement is valid for sell, because it has this is 50% retracement level and it's valid for sell. We can sell the market here. So that is it. And this is the recent break of shoulder to downtrend, and this is the other block. Our stop loss will be above this lower high, while our take profits will be here. Oh, but now what market is doing now is just this is liquidity over here. You can see because we have FEG, market has not came back to you. This is liquidity, and market is creating liquidity down here. But what is happening here? There's opportunity here. There's opportunity here. Market may sweep this liquidity down before continuing the uptrend, or market sweep the liquidity up before continuing the downtrend. So either of the two, let's just stay patient and see what the market has for us. You can see there's opportunity here. So let's see what the market has for us before we can but I'm sticking to this to the set. You understand? Since I said I want to be trading like a professional now, I don't want to be chasing I don't want to be chasing uh, market anymore. This is what time frame 4 hours time frame give us. It give us we are buying from here, and 1 hour time frame give us that we are selling from here. So this I'm taking this sell, and after the sell mitigated that 4 hours buy, I'm taking the buy. So as for now, I'm not finding the opportunity that let me just take this is what I'm seeing. This is liquidity. I'm praying let the market come back here. It was downtrend. So let's now move to XAGUSD, which is Sliver USD. This is Sliver. From daily time frame as usual, this is our swing high, this is our swing low. You can see market is in between and we are in uptrend because this is the last break of structure. We are in the uptrend. We are expecting the market to continue the uptrend. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. What do we do on 4 hours time frame? 4 hours time frame is for our analysis time frame to see what the market is doing. And on daily time frame, you will see that we have last break of structure here. After the last break of market breaking, it give us change of character, and this is change of character order block here. You can see change of character order block here. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. This is what 4 hours time frame is giving us. You can see this is the last FPG here, and this is the other block here that we are expecting the market. We are buying from here. This is where we are buying if the market came back here. We are buying from here because we have FEG. All these ones serve as liquidity for me. And this is supply zone for us that push the market down. You can see that push the market down. So what we are doing now, since we have seen what 4 hours tell us, we are buying from here on 4 hours, and let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. It's giving us downtrend. This is the you can see this is downtrend. This is downtrend. This is downtrend. This is downtrend. Market mitigated this will give us downtrend. Let me see this downtrend. Maybe is the sell is valid. You can see this sell is valid. This is the last break of structure. This serve as liquidity for me because it does not break this. It does not break this lower low. It serve as liquidity for me. So as for me, we are expecting the sell here. Let's stick to the sell. The sell that we analyzed yesterday, this is the way we are selling. We are selling from here, and after selling from here, we are buying from here. That is what we have on silver and gold. You can see this is liquidity. Market need to sweat, and this is liquidity. Market need to sweat on gold also. We are selling from here and we are buying from there. This is what I have on. This is what the market gave us on gold and silver. You already know we did not predict the market. We react to what the market gave us. This is what the market gave us, and let's just stick to it. But if the market change direction, definitely we must find opportunity to change direction also. Let's move to US 30. This is US 30 from daily time frame. This is US 30 from daily time frame. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high. Market is in between the what? Is in between the swing high and the swing low. This is the last opportunity market gave us. Break of structure. Market mitigated it, but it's trying to push the market up. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. As for me, all these are not solid. After market mitigated it, market came back to that other block, and we have seen. I'm seeing what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Change, break of structure. After break of structure, market break it with full body candle, turn to what? Turn to change of character, and this change of character other block. After market mitigated this change of character other block, we are seeing. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where the opportunity is. This is the trade we took. This is the trade we took yesterday. This is the trade. This is the trade we took yesterday. Uh, this is the trade we took yesterday, but this trade is for 15 minutes. Seriously, it's for 15 minutes. But as for now, let's now follow the recent trend. Let's follow the recent trend. This is the last break of structure market gave us. On 1 hour time frame, you can see the break of structure. And on 4 hours time frame, this is where we are buying the market. So this will serve as liquidity, and this is the supply we are buying the market. We are buying the market. This is the supply zone we are buying the market on. The reason why this serves as liquidity is because this does not break this. So it serves as liquidity. For me, it serves as liquidity. So on 1 hour time frame, let's just continue the trend. This is what we are seeing on 1 hour trend. 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. I took after taking this take a profit yesterday. I still take this profit. I still take this trade yesterday. This buy. Well, so this trade I took it yesterday also on my further next competition further next account competition. Seriously. So I'm buying this also. I'm buying this also. I should have, but this is the profit. This is the buy I took yesterday to this opportunity, and this buy we are taking it up again to this opportunity or year because there's F in here. So let's see 15-minute time frame. We can see opportunity on 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see the opportunity of 15-minute time frame. But what market is doing is giving us liquidity here because on 15-minute time frame we are seeing break of structure here. Market expected this to go. We are seeing the uptrend. The uptrend is valid seriously, but to take the profit, is solely just remain for me. We are taking the profit up. Let me see 15 minutes time. Maybe there is opportunity. Okay. There is no space here on 15 minutes. There is no space. Let me see 15 minutes time. Maybe there is opportunity of 15 minutes. There is space to take this. So this is the next other block. This place. This place is the next other block for the market or to mitigate. So sorry, this is the next place to mitigate to take the profit. So after taking the profit from here, we still see another what another sell again. This is what we are doing. We are seeing I'm sorry, we still see another buy again, but this buy is going now. So there's no opportunity, there's no place to for us to join. It's either we see the break of structure, let's see the break of after they see the break of structure, definitely we are coming back to this place to take the what to take the buy again. So this is what I'm saying. But this buy have it has triggered me in since yesterday midnight. Let me see the candle there. Yep, you can see this is Tuesday midnight. Yes. So this buy is still invalid. So it's still valid, sorry. So I'm still taking this buy. So this is what I'm seeing on US 30. You see that our analysis on US 30 is not too much at all, at all, at all, at all. At all, at all. These are supply that we are expecting the market to mitigate. So we are still what? We are still buying on 1 hour time frame. This is the recent what? This is opportunity. All these places are already mitigated. So this is recent opportunity. Market is going up. So let's wait for market to give us a break of structure before we can take another buy. Thanks. Yeah. Let's move to EU. GU. Let's see what GU is trying to give us. You can see for this is liquidity swept over here. Liquidity swept. This is with the other block market expected, but this is the last break of structure, and you can see market has not touched this other block. Let's see what market is trying to do. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is 4 hours time frame. You can see 4 hours time frame is aligned with it, and we are still in break of structure. What we are doing is just to take the sell. Let's be taking the buy. Let's see what is happening. On 4 hours, there is no opportunity down to take the buy. You can see all these people are already mitigated. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is where the opportunity is, but I'm expecting the market to mitigate this because there's FEG here before we can see anything. But let's just take on 1 hour time frame. Let's read the structure. After market mitigated this, after market mitigated that this other block, we can see what market break give us break of structure here. Market give us break of structure over there. So market break it, give us change of character. This is the last break of structure, and we are having FEG here. But we are having, let's see, this break of structure also. Sorry for that. This is break of structure. This is break of structure, and we are having other block here. You can say this other block is valid, but the reason why I will not take this other block serious is because there is still FEG here. So let's see, maybe it's going to respect market is going to respect it or not. All these places have as liquidity. You can see we are having break of structure here also. We are having break of, but as for me, all these places have as liquidity for me. Liquidity trend line. You can see the liquidity trend line, and we are taking the opportunity here. So let's see the buy. You are buying from here. Let's let's now move to 1 hour, 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. What is happening on 15 minute time frame? You can see what is happening on 15 minute time frame. So let's say we are still buying from here because there's opportunity sitting here. Seriously. Let's see if the market can come down here, continue the uptrend. Seriously, because let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. But if this did not hold it, definitely this will send it back up. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing on GU. Let's move to EU. Let's see what is happening on EU. From daily time frame, this is what is happening on EU. This is the last break of structure, the swing high and the swing low here, and the swing low here. But this swing low is an liquidity market swept it, mitigated this previous swing low, and continued the bullish. But this is the last break of structure market gave us on daily time frame. This is where we are buying This is where we are buying to. So if you reach here, is this whatever this place is decided, we're gonna join the market. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This you can see this is the other block, and let's see the opportunity market give us. As for me, this is the last break of structural market give us change of character. So possibly market may come down. Market may come down. Market may come down. Let's see what the market is trying to do. On GU, this is where we are. This is our opportunity here. There is no opportunity over here again. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is change of character, and this is change of character on that block. Definitely, we are expecting the market to come here. So we are expecting the market to come here, but let's follow the research trend on daily time frame. We are having FEG here. You can see there's opportunity here. This is the recent break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and we are having was liquidity trend line here, and we are having FEG over here. Because we are having over other block over there, because we are having FEG. So there is two opportunity we are seeing. Let's see if this market is going to push it down, continue the uptrend. Saying it's a mistake. Hmm. This is this is what I'm saying. This is the liquidity trend line liquidity, and this is the other block. So I'm seeing buy from here. So we are buying from here.